All right, what I'd like to show you now is how to composite some images together quickly and easily. We're going to composite 4 images into a new canvas. So here I am in Photoshop, and I've got these 4 illustrations. I think they're paintings by Kandinsky. And what I want to do is put them all in the same canvas. So instead of doing a whole lot of measuring, I'm just going to go up and look at the first one. I'm going to go to image size, and it's 640 by 442 at 300 dpi. So I have a rough idea of how large this is going to be. So how large do I need my canvas to be? I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm just going to make a canvas with the dimensions of 2000 by 2000 pixels at 72 dpi. I'm going to click Create. So I've got a nice big canvas. Now I just want to move all the images into the canvas. There's a bunch of different ways to do this. Here's an easy one. I go to the canvas, click on the layer thumbnail, drag it up over the untitled canvas tab up here, and then just drag it and drop it in. And I'll just do that for each image. Go up, click, drag it up, hold it down, drop it in. Go to the next image, click here, drag it up, and then drop it down. One more, click there, drag up, and then drop it down. Now, each one of these images is on a separate layer. I can look at my layers here. And what I want to do is let's say I want to resize them. I'll just hold down the Shift key and select all 4 of the layers at the same time. And then I can go to Edit, choose Free Transform, and scale them all simultaneously. Click that link button to scale them proportionately, right? Because they're all linked. Now, let's say I want to crop it and make it even on all sides. Well, what I can do, I'll unlink them. I can right-click to go to each layer, and then I'll move them down so that they're all touching. So I just right-click. I'm going to make it where they're all even in the center, like so. And then I'll crop the edges. I'll get my crop tool, come in, and crop it nice and tight. And there's a snap that's on naturally. You go to View, you'll see that there's a snap. I can turn that on and off. I'll drag that inwards like this, and then hit the Enter key or the Transform tool. Now, if I decided, let's say for one reason, let's say I wanted to apply something to all the layers at the same time, I would need to take those layers and merge them. So if I Shift click and select all those layers, and then go up to either my layer tool and merge visible, or go to layer and choose merge visible, this happens. So because of the fact that you're using an artboard, it floods the canvas back out, but I can fix that. If I don't want that to be the case, what I can do before I trim I use the trim tool. I go up to Image, and I choose Trim. And I want to trim the transparent pixels away. So what Photoshop does naturally is that it holds onto those transparent pixels. And when you use artboards, you use those extra transparent pixels for different types of operations. I'm going to click OK, get rid of those transparent pixels. Now Shift click and select all 4 of those layers, and I'm going to merge them together. Click the tab there, choose Merge. Let's use Merge Visible. Bam, and there we go.